Every year, Global Sources brings together thousands of buyers and suppliers from around the world. This is Haplast, a leading manufacturer of plastic bags from Vietnam, trusted by global partners since 2007. From garbage bags on roll to food and industrial packaging, we offer a wide range of certified eco-friendly solutions. Certified by ISO, GRS, FSC, and BRC. Our products are safe, traceable, and ready for export to Europe, America, and beyond. At our booth, we listen, understand your needs, and provide fast, customized support, from MOQ to packaging, design, and delivery. We don't just sell bags. We build long-term partnerships based on transparency, quality, and service. Our clients trust us because what we promise, we deliver quickly, reliably, and always with care. We'd love to hear from you. Let's work together to create better packaging,